Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with this oval motif. This particular oval motif I worked with my Aran baby cake yarn with color code 3027 and a 5 mm clover crochet hook. So let's go into the video without any delay. Chain 12, make a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4th chain from the hook. 1 double crochet each on each of the next 7 chains. Now in the last chain, place 7 double crochets. Now place 1 DC each on each of the next 7 chains on the other side. This you need not worry, this will get set. Now in the next, you place 5 DC. Join with a slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the turning chain. Not this, this is the DC. This is the DC chain, so we have to join into this, these two, under these 2 loops. This is the 3rd chain of the turning chain. Okay. For round 2, chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Now 1 DC each in each of the next 10 DCs. So complete the DCs, 10 DCs, and get back. After placing 10 double crochets, place 3 DC in each of the next 3 DCs. 1, 2, and 3, all in the same stitch here. First one done. Now the second one, 3 DC, all in the same stitch. And one more set. 3 DC in the next. DC in next DC and place 1 DC each in each of the next 10 DCs. Having placed 1 DC each on each of the next 10, place 3 DC each in each of the next 3 DCs. Slip stitch and join to the third chain of the first 3 chains. Chain 3 counts as first DC, DC in each of the next 10 DCs. Complete. Now 2 DC in the next, and after that 1 DC, then 2 DC in next 2 DCs, 2 each. And double crochet in the next double. So 2 DC in next 2 stitches, 1 DC in the next, repeat one more time. So 2 DC in next 2 stitches in each of them, 2 DC in each of them. Then 1 DC, and in the next one make 2 double crochets. Now double crochet in the next DC and 1 double crochet each on each of the next 10 double crochets. Having placed 1 DC each on each of next 10, make 2 DCs in the next stitch. Then it is a single DC, 2 DC each in each of the next 2 stitches. One DC next, again 2 DC in each of the 2 DCs, 1 DC in the next, and 2 DCs in the last stitch of the round. Now slip stitch and join onto the third chain of the first 3 chains. So we have completed round 3. See, the oval shape is developing. For round 4, chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet. 1 double crochet in each of the next 12. Having placed 12 DCs, make 2 DC in the next stitch, 1 DC in the next. So this set you have to repeat 6 times to come over to the next side. So 2 DC, 1 DC, 2, 1, 2, 1. Complete the repetition 6 times and get back. Having repeated 6 times, 1 DC each in each of the next 2, and then now repeat 1 DC in each of the next 12, then 2 DC, 1 DC 6 times, and then place 2 DCs in the end. Complete the round. Having repeated 2 DC, 1 DC 6 times, place your last DC on the last stitch, slip stitch and join to the third chain of the first 3 chains. This is how the oval shape develops into. Let us make the 5th round. Chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. 1 double crochet each in each of the next 11 DCs. Okay, so make 11 DCs. Having placed your 11 DCs, now 2 DC in one stitch and 1 DC in each of the next 2. Repeat that 3 times. So this stitch this set you have to repeat totally 3 times. 2 1 1 3 times. So I've done 2 1 1 one time. Now I'll make 2 more times and get back. So having repeated 2 1 1 2 1 1 3 times, place a DC in the next DC. Now for the repeat on the other side, it is DC in each of 1 DC each in each of the next 2, and then we have 2 DC on the next. So it is 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 times. Now place your DC. After repeating, place 1 DC each on each of the next 2, 1 each, and now place 1 DC in each of the 11 DCs. Having placed 1 DC in each of the next 11, again may repeat 2 1 1 3 times. 2 stitches in one stitch, 1 stitch each in each of the next 2. So this is one repeat done. 2 more repeats. Now having repeated 3 times, again DC in the next DC, and the next repeat is 1 1 2 1 1 2, as we did in this corner here in this round. At the end of the round, slip stitch, join to the third chain of the beginning chain and fasten off. So you can make it to larger size by placing 6 evenly spaced increases at both the ends of this oval. So I'm going to stop here for this video. Hope you like this small pattern of ours, how to work in the oval. Look how neatly it has come out. And since I have used my hobby store cake yarn, I use my Aran baby cake yarn for this, and it's a multicolor variegated yarn, and the design takes its own color changes in the shape. Hope you like this small effort of ours. If you happen to be the first time viewer, or if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos we upload every other day. Bye for now. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.